Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a page in WordPress. So first, when you are here in your dashboard in WordPress, here on the left side, you can see post, media, pages, comments, breezy. If you have any plugin, that name also will appear here. And here you can see the appearance where you can see the themes, customize widgets and menus, background as well. So to make a page, you just go here on the page and two things will appear. One is all pages and also add new. So in all pages, you can see the pages that has already been created for you. So if I go here, I have this list of pages that I already created. But if I would like to make a new one, I'll just press here again. And here you can see that add new. So just press there, and let's say you would like to make a website of your restaurant, and this page will let the people know who are your chefs. So here you can maybe write all the chefs. Okay, so in this page you will have a description of all the chefs. So here now you just go here and publish it. Okay, and again publish here. Now this page is visible and you can see that all the chefs is now live, and you press it here, view page, and it will actually show you the page now. Just go back and see if you can find it in your all the page list. You can see here all the chefs has been created, and if you want you can actually quick edit them. Okay, so you go here and edit. If you would like to change the name, you just let's say you would like to change the name to the chefs, and if you just go and update it, and you will see that the page name has been updated. And if you go NT, okay, you will find it there. The second page, if I go NT, yeah, you see the chefs has been. We started with all the chefs, now it is the chefs. And if we go in quick edit, you can see the title has been changed to the chefs, but the slug, when someone is clicking the pages, it still will be showing as all the chefs, because we started with this one and by default it actually took the name of the page. So if you would like your title and slugs to be the same, what you are going to do is just change the slug name to match the title. And now if you update it, it will have the same slug name as your page name. So this is how you can create the pages, and you can go again here and you can add a new page. If you need 100 pages, you can just go again and again and add a new page. And for some reasons, you can have a slug name and your page name different. Maybe you want people to show something in your page name, but for your remembrance or for some sort of maybe understanding, you would like to have a different slug name. That can also be done like this. You can have a title of food, but you may want a slug name, different one. Maybe you want a slug name of S street. And before publishing it, I would like to show you another thing. So here you got a slug name of street. You can have a featured image, maybe, though it has the name of food, but maybe you would like to have a featured image of maybe this one, and set featured image. So what this image will do, if you ever would like to show this page as a link somewhere, this image will appear there. And as your page name is food, it's better to have a featured image of food. And also you can open the discussion of your page by ticking this one, allowing comments. So this is the beginning of your page. So if we publish it, we'd like to see it, what happens. Now you see that it has a slug of street, though the page name is food. So food is alive. So we just would like to see what happened. View page, and immediately you can see that it has a featured image that you actually began with, and the page name is food. And here you can see that that it has a slug name of street. So for now, thank you very much.